Side knob functions introduce once push flush water. 3 seconds push power off. Same function with remote stop button. 3 seconds push again power on. Twist forward hip wash. Twist forward again, move hip wash style. Twist forward again, stop, move hip wash style.
Twist back, women wash. Twist back again, move women wash. Twist back again, stop, move women wash. 90 seconds wash. Push button can stop.
3 seconds push button when sit, open air dry function. Warm air, dry lasting 3 minutes. Push button can stop. Wash and warm air dry function can not working when not sit.
Thanks for watch.